Hey guys, it's Miss Duncan here. I am going to give you a quick overview of how to use your Google Drive and to ensure that you are in the correct location when uploading your materials for me to grade. So first things first, you want to log into your Gmail account, and then in the corner you can click here to click Drive and make sure that you are in either your student's Epic Gmail account or that you are in the parent Gmail account that you shared with me. So once you're to this screen, you want to come over here to the left and click Shared with Me. Then you should find the folder with your name on it right here. Double click that, and then inside this folder you will see your week 1, week 2, if you have any benchmark stuff, anything in there will be in this file. So today is September 8th and it's week 1, so I'm going to click this folder. So any work that you need to upload for this week should go in this location. And to do that, you're going to right click, and then if you have a file on your computer, you're going to click Upload Files. When I click that, it's going to take me to my documents that are saved to my computer. If I need to create a new Google Doc, like for the All About Me assignment, I'm going to click Google Doc, and then I want to create and share. And then up here, I'm going to title my document All About Me. And then here I can type my story. I can change the font and everything here. And I don't need to click share again, because when I go back to my folder, all I did was click back over here to my drive. When I go back to it, I will see now that it's week 1, there's my document right there. So now when I pull it up on my end from my teacher account, I will see what you uploaded right there. I hope this helps. If you have questions, let me know.